Rhino, heading out to my first job today. It's a move out. So today I have one job and I have an estimate, tile cleaning estimate. So I'm gonna knock this one job out. I'm gonna head over there and get to that estimate. So this job is a move out. It's 3 rooms and a living room, I believe. And we're gonna see what the condition is. So yeah, this job is actually in Itasca or San Miguel. It's about 15 minutes away from my town, and it takes me about 15 minutes. So if you were in the city, it'd probably take you about 45 minutes, huh? All right, see you there. All right, guys. So I showed the place, and initially on walking in, I just smelt definitely urine, dog urine. And so it looks like it's just basically in this area right here. I don't know if you can see the yellowing all through here. Pretty bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some undoes it here. I did charge her actually when I came here and let her know that, you know, regular cleaning is not gonna work for this. I need to kill the bacteria and get rid of that smell. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm also gonna put some deodorizer on it. That'll be oh yeah, that'll be Liquid Alive is what I'm gonna be using. Yeah, it's really soiled here too. So she said it was basically just in that room, and it looks like she's right. So yeah, after this light's really good, but you really need to get the light down on it to really see the difference, right? But so I'm gonna get that TMF one here pretty soon. That sucker is really bright. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Looks like just this area, and I'm gonna go ahead and treat her really good before I even get started with anything. Okay. So stay tuned. Yeah, dogs like to have their favorite spot. And this definitely was their favorite spot. Because surprisingly, there isn't any other staining anywhere. So, But the odor's bad. Proper management will not like it. So we're gonna see how well we can get this. All right, I'm gonna finish up spraying. All right, so I went and pre-sprayed, did my pre-scrub. As you can tell, the carpet's looking a whole heck of a lot better. This was like the worst area, and after that rinse, it's gonna look beautiful. This is that area with the dog urine. As you can tell, the stains are gone. I don't see any browning in there or yellowing or anything. Smells a lot better. But when I go over this thing, I'm gonna make sure I smell again, and if it does, I'm gonna do a post spray on there to help with that odor. But yeah, carpet's gonna come out great. Did all my prep work, so hardest part, and I always put a lot of effort into doing a really good job on my preparation. I went around the corners with the vacuum, the hose, all around the house. And I just plugged that thing in one place in the house and went through all through the house with the vacuum. So love that. I don't have to keep unplugging and plugging. Sorry about that. And yeah, so the carpets in general look good. So now I got my everything hooked up. I'm gonna go ahead and pump on my machine and extract. Color artificial stain right there. I treated with red one. It didn't initially come up, so I did a kind of post spray on it. This is polyester carpet, so it shouldn't be much lighting. Main thing is going to lighten the stain up. So. Customer isn't here, and it's a move out to approve going ahead and do the steamer, breaking the steamer out to get rid of that. So I do what I can do without her consent. So all right, I'm gonna finish working up out of here, and yeah, carpets look great everywhere else. Almost look brand new. Customer's going to be surprised. All right, so I don't know if you remember how bad this area was right here. Super bad, but super good now. All right, guys, so I'm going to roll that. Waiting on the customer, and I'm going to call this a job. Those great results job, you know. I don't know, I'll call it something. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. We'll see you in the next video.